Hey Keto peeps, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food. You know, if you're a die-hard chocoholic, sometimes you just want chocolate for breakfast. On the whole, I don't recommend this approach, unless we're talking about my keto chocolate protein muffins. This is such a great recipe for an easy keto breakfast or snack. Each muffin has only 5 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 12 grams of healthy collagen protein. Sponsored product alert! Sponsored product alert! Now, if you follow me, you know that I don't endorse any products that I don't actually use myself. And I can genuinely tell you that I use some sort of perfect keto product every single day. Sometimes twice a day. Every day around mid-morning, I have some sort of coffee drink with one of the collagen proteins. Sometimes it's salted caramel, sometimes it's chocolate. But whichever flavor I choose, it always makes my coffee feel like a treat. Perfect Keto has set up a page of my favorite products, including the collagens, and they're giving my readers buy one, get one 40% off. Check the video description for all the details. But I don't just drink the collagen, I actually bake with it. And we're going to be using this chocolate collagen today in the muffins. So these muffins are entirely flourless and they start with nut butter. I am actually using some nut butter that came as a free gift when I put in a big order at Perfect Keto. This is the super fat macadamia coconut butter, but you can actually use any nut butter here. I've had readers use peanut butter, which can be a little on the thick side, so you may need to add a little additional oil. But I've got 1 cup of the coconut macadamia butter here. I've also used pecan butter in these, and I've used sunflower seed butter. And I'm going to add half a cup of sweetener. I've got a combo here of Swerve Brown and allulose. You can really use any sweetener you like in this recipe. You really want to work the sweetener into the nut butter until it's well combined. Now we're going to add 3 large eggs. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you want to work those all in together. Then we're going to take a half cup of the chocolate collagen protein. Now, if you only have plain collagen, you can use that as well, but you want to make a few adjustments. So check out the written recipe for those adjustments. So half a cup of the Perfect Keto chocolate collagen, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a little bit of salt. I'm probably adding about 1/4 teaspoon. And you need to stir all that in together. Now if you want, you can add some chocolate chips. You could also add nuts or other sorts of add-ins, but I'm going to take 1/3 cup of chocolate chips and I'm going to put most of them into the batter. I always like to save a few for the tops of the muffins. For baking these muffins, I really recommend silicone muffin cups. This batter tends to stick a little, and even parchment, it'll stick a little bit to those. So silicone muffin cups if you have them, and it does make 12 muffins. So we want to divide our batter evenly between our 12 muffin cups. I also love using a cookie scoop to make less of a mess as I divvy up the batter. And once you have divvied up all of your muffin batter between the muffin cups, you can add a few more chocolate chips to the top of each muffin. I just like how this looks in the end. It lets everybody know they're double chocolate. Our muffins go into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 25 minutes. You definitely don't want to overbake these muffins, so keep your eye on them. When they've risen and they're just firm to the touch, take them out of the oven. Okay guys, I have taken the muffins out of the oven and I've let them cool for a while, and I think we're ready to dig in. Now I want to show you these. They are quite amazing. They have the most amazing texture. So it should come out nicely once it's cool out of the silicone. I like to sort of squeeze the bottom a little, help it out. And you wouldn't believe that these are flourless. When you break them open, they have such a great texture. It's like the perfect muffin texture. These muffins are so good, and some of my readers say they taste just like brownies. I'm not gonna disagree. So I just gave you a recipe for healthy brownies for breakfast. Let's take a bite. For this delicious keto muffin recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.